This video is an incredible lesson in reality. I've learned a lot by making it, and you might learn something by watching it. This is a very ugly jack, a bottle jack my dad has for his van, and I don't think it's functional, but he carries it all the time with him in case of emergency. Today we're going to try to restore it and see if we can make something out of it. There's a pin that is missing over here, so we're going to look at the pin that is missing. Also I'm going to see what kind of a seal needs over here and how easy it is to fix. I do have a seal set that we might be able to use for the reconstruction of this jack, so let's give it a try. We do have a vise. I did put it in a vise, and now I have enough force to open this screw up. So I hit it with a hammer a couple of times, and this ugly thing is trying to give his secrets out. So what we have, these are the two pieces that are leaking. So obviously there's a high pressure seal over here, and then we have the piston that is going through. So this one fits through the piston and is traveling through here. Inside here had water in it. It got rusty, and the surface of the cylinder, it's not shiny anymore. It's not flat, so obviously it's going to leak. The seal on the front seems to be fine. This part over here is the reality check. I've seen so many videos online about people restoring vices and all kinds of tools to their previous state. The illusion was so beautiful by watching the video that I've decided that maybe this is my opportunity to restore this jack. But the problems that started to mount made me realize that this is a battle that you absolutely cannot win. There are parts on this jack that are not available, and they need to be machined. I've called a couple of friends in a couple of places in town and asked how much things will cost. Also, the outside of the jack needs to be sandblasted so it could be painted and restored to its previous glory. And even though some parts are universal, and I could find some pins and some safety pins to put this jack together, the hole that you refill the jack with was cross-threaded, and it's almost impossible to be rethread without being open. The problem is that this jack is so old that even heated up with a blowtorch, it will not open itself up. Looking around and seeing what kind of tools and what kind of devices I'm going to need to be able to finish this project, it made me realize the videos that you see online, the videos that you see about restoring these jacks, restoring vices, restoring old hinges and other things like those, are a beautiful fantasy, but the reality is that in real life it is absolutely unpractical to do such a thing. So my build took a turn. I've decided that maybe it's time to just concentrate on trying to see if I could make it work, how much it would cost to just make it functional. Forget about sandblasting and cleaning it up and painting it with high glazed paint. And after a lot of research, even that dream has died. With a quick Amazon search, I've realized that a bottle jack these days costs $30. It will be better, it will lift more, and that's why you have seen the thumbnail for this video. It is an Amazon bottle jack next to the one that I had. The reality is that I've learned a very important lesson. If it can be fixed very, very cheaply, it's worth it. But if the cost exceeds the rebuild price of the product, we're living in a world that these things are just a throwaway. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think at the bottom of this video.